really need to lift your car to do some work on it. There's a proper way to do it to make sure that you don't damage your car, because you can do a lot of damage if you lift your car the incorrect way. Before you start any of this, make sure that you have the emergency brake on or your wheels chalked. All right, so here's some great examples of, on this particular car, it was lifted in the incorrect spots. You see here, pretty significant dent. This was from a jack being placed under the body and not under the jack point. And so it was pretty heavily damaged. Also back here, this is all rounded here. On a lot of cars, this pinch weld is where the jacking point is. However, on this particular car, that's not the jack point. The jack point is actually way in here. So you really need to know where those jack points are for your car before you try to lift it. All right, so on this car, the pinch weld is the jack point, and you can see there's notches. This is pretty common on cars where the jack point is this pinch weld. You'll see a notch where the jack goes. Fortunately, most jack points are listed in the owner's manual, so go there as your first reference. If you have an older car, or maybe you don't have the owner's manual, try looking it up online before you try jacking your car to prevent this kind of damage. If you're working on it and you're going to be doing some significant work to it, make sure that you're using your jack stands. Make sure that that is up and safe. Do not rely solely on the jack. But with that, if you like what you see here, please like and subscribe for more content. Hope to see you out there.